Today let us see 2016 question. Which of the following pair of d orbital will have electron density along the axis? Here it is very beautiful question. dxy and dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square and dz square. All these are having a two set of axis. One is axial axis and a non-axial axis. Let us see the diagram. When you see diagram, you will be understand very easily. dxy, dyz, dxzx. So here xy direction, yz direction or xz direction, all are lying in between the axis, in between. Here also in between. Here also in between. So they are not on the axis. So they are, these lobes are in between the axis are called non-axial axis, non-axial. Here when you see dx square minus y square in this y direction and x direction on the axis, on the line. So they are axial lobes. When you compare to here, it is a dz square and this shape is called as a donut shape. I mean that cigarette fume shape is called as a donut shape. They are called axial lobes along the axis. So these are the along the axis and these are non-axial. So in the question they have asked which will be along the axis, that means dz square and dx square minus y square only on the along the axis is the correct answer. The two electrons occupying the same orbital are distinguished by only spin quantum number, spin upward and downward. I mean half of the spin of the electron. So here it is a two electron. One is upward, another thing is a downward. If it is a s orbital, p orbital and d orbital, f orbital means n as the value n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But L will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 means s orbital, 1 means p orbital, 2 means d orbital, 3 means f orbital. So here n is equal to 2, if L is equal to 0 and m is equal to m as minus L to plus L. If L is equal to 0 means m also equal to 0. S will have that upward direction and the lower direction, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise, plus of and a minus of spinning of the electrons. So that is spin quantum number is the correct answer. So here the question is spin quantum number. Let us see the next question. Which is the correct order of the increasing energy of the listed orbitals in the atom of titanium? Titanium atomic number is 22. 2000 question, no? 2015 question. Here they have given different orbitals, 4s, 3s, 3p, 3d, like that they have given. Just we'll see the trick. Here L is equal to, I already told you, to in order to that you take a SPD, F, SPD, F, L is equal to 0 for s orbital, 1 for p orbital, 2 for d orbital, 3 for a f orbital. These are the L value, angular azimuthal quantum number. So here that I have written 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, next 3d, 4p in increasing order I have arranged according to the Hoffer principle, and n is equal to 1, 1s means 1, 2s means 2, 2p means 2, 3s means 3, and 3p means n is equal to 3, 4s means n is equal to 4, 3d means n is equal to 3, 4p means n is equal to 4. But in case of L value, already I told you, L, if n is equal to 1 means that is s orbital, the value of the s orbital is 0. Here 0. If it is a p comes, you should put 1. If d comes, you should put a 2. F comes, we should put a 3. So wherever s comes, I have written a 0. 1s, L is equal to 0. 2s, L is equal to 0. And 2p, L is equal to 1. 3s, L is equal to 0. 3p, L is equal to 1. 4s, L is equal to 0. 3d, L is equal to 2. 4p, L is equal to 1. So here just add n plus L. N plus L value. So here it is a 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. So this 3, 3 are same value. And 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. This 4, 4 value are same. And 3 plus 2, 5. And 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 5 is the same value. Which is same value alone? Just to tick. Here I have written everything. 2p I have written, 3s, 3p, and 4s, 3d, 4p. So 4p has 5 and 3d has 5 value, 4s has 4 value, 3p as same 4 value, 3p as same 3 value, and 2p also having same 3 value. So here the thing is 3p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. You just say this. Fill the electron in a least energy orbit first. If the same value means 2p, 3s, first we should fill only in a 2p. Here I have written 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. Here the titanium atomic number is 22, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 20, here 10 and here 10, remaining to 3d2. So here this is 3d and here it is 4s and here it is 3p and here it is 3s. So if you want to remove electron, consider the highest quantum number of the last. Remove the electron only from the highest quantum. Here the highest quantum number between 4s and 3d is 4s is the highest quantum number. If you want to remove the electron not from the d orbital, we should remove only from the 4s orbital to be removed. So the order is 3d, 4s, 3p and then 3s. This is the way to find out. This is very good now. Trick to you to finding whatever the orbital is given. Find this trick and find out 3s, 3d, 4s, 3p and 3s, the electronic configuration of titanium. Question number 14, 2015 question. Number of d electron in Fe2 plus, atomic number is 26, is not equal to the number of electron in which one of the following? Whether d electron in Fe or that contains 26 and p electron in neon, that is equal to 10, atomic number equal to 10, and s electron in magnesium, atomic number equal to 12, and p electron in a chlorine, the atomic number is 17. They asked which is not equal to the number of p. Just we see the answer of the discussion, that ion atomic number is 26, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d6. So in the question they asked how many d electrons. So here now, after remove the 2 electron from the last shell, I mean highest quantum number is 4s, 2 electron, it has 3d6, 6 electrons in d orbital. How many p electron? They said first d electron in ion, then p electron in neon. So in p electron in neon atomic number is 10, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. How many p electrons? 6 p electrons. How many? Next question option is S electron in magnesium. So they asked S electron. So how many S electron in magnesium? Atomic number is 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Total of all the S electrons, 2, I mean here 2, and here 2. So totally 6 electron in S electrons. Next up, last option is how many P electrons in chlorine? Atomic number is 17. So here P electron, I mean chlorine atomic number 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 electrons, 3s2, 3p5. Totally 17 electrons. They are asked how many p electrons. P electrons are 6 and plus 5, 11 electrons. This only is not agree because all others having the equal number of electrons. So D having 6, P having 6 and magnesium S having 6 electrons. Here in the P electron is 11, odd number. Not odd number, I mean odd number means not matching. Here out of 4 it is not matching. So here it is a chlor. P is not equal number of electrons. So this is called a correct answer. but this is wrong, but it's a correct answer. 2015, angular momentum of electron in d orbital is equal to. So this is h bar. This is 2 root 3 zeroth order, I mean zeroth quantum number of electron, and root 6 h bar and root 2 h. So the formula is root of angular spin quantum number, I mean momentum is, that is mu of L into L plus 1 is the formula, h by 2 pi, or we can remove the 2 pi and write a h bar alone can be written. So these two are the same formula, h bar. It is called as a h bar after removing 2 pi. So it is, they said, just you see d orbital, they said. Angular means angular momentum, I mean L. L value started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So s orbital is 0, p orbital is 1, d orbital is 2. F orbital 3. Here the question d orbital. So L is equal to 2. So substitute L value here. So 2 into 2 plus 1 h bar. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 6. So root 6 h bar is the correct answer. Thanks for watching, students.